Pile junk they have. There's grain over here. There's Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Coke Zero, Minute Maid, Powerade, Fanta Orange, Fanta Strawberry, Root Beer, Coca-Cola Cherry, Corn Grain, Snickers, Coca-Cola, grain, corn grain, plastics, vegetable oil, connected, snacks, Snickers, plastics, Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Sprite, lumber, plastics. Laminates.